Good afternoon and welcome to this beautiful mountain meadow. And I didn't plan to fish this creek here. I'm camped nearby. I've been camped over here for a couple nights. And then I was just looking at the map and I saw that just down the slope from where I was, there's a creek. So I've done no research. I have no cell signal. I have no idea if there's anything in this creek. And I don't know if you can really even call this a creek. It's right here. It is just tiny. It's a foot wide or less, but we're gonna give it a shot. Let's get the gear ready and get to fishing. Okay, I apologize for any wind noise that may be in this video because it's a windy one. And so I'm going with a very short line. I have a 7-foot line on this rod. This is the Zen Tenkara Suzume. And I'm just gonna try to get the fly somewhere. Oh man, this is gonna be hard. I'm gonna try to get the fly somewhere in the vicinity of the water, but I don't know. This may not work out super well. Yeah, I can't even see what's happening. This would be a tricky creek to fish in no wind. There we go. Oh, nope. I got the fly in the water. As soon as the fly hit the water, it was blown back out again. But this is what the creek looks like, in case you were wondering. We have a little bit of a better view of it here. I mean, it's tiny. It really is. Can we get one fish out of here? Oh man. I need to try to find a more open section, but I don't know how well that'll work. Cool little creek though. Okay, maybe just dapping the fly, letting the wind carry it is the strategy. Why fight the wind, right? See if we can work with the wind. It's gonna be hard to see if I have a fish on unless I see a disturbance on the water though. I heard something. I feel like I heard a fish move around in the water. Oh! Guys, we've got fish. I might be able to actually cast into this spot. Yes! Yes! Brook trout, I think? Yes! Oh man. Whew. Yeah, we've got like a 7-inch brook trout, 6-inch brook trout. Cool. See ya, buddy. Look at that. We got one. That is so cool. In crazy wind. Let's keep going. There might be another castable pool just on the other side of this little ball island right here. Let's see. My heart is racing. Nothing on the first little cast. Oh, I saw some other motion in the water. I think I saw a fish move. I might have scared it. I don't think that was just the fly. Long rod, short line. We're doing what we can to catch fish in the crazy wind here. Okay. Ooh, did you see that? I just scared something. Just scared a fish. Anything in this more open area? Yes? Got him. My heart is beating so fast. That's even an even bigger fish. That's like a, let's see, 6 and 2, 8-inch fish. Beautiful. See ya, buddy. I can't believe it. I can't believe we're actually catching fish out of this thing. I have never fished anywhere in this mountain range before. I'm in Wyoming. And so this is very much a new thing for me. This is exploratory fishing. Ooh, look at this. Big pool right here. Okay. The wind is blowing directly at me. Gonna wait for the wind to die down a little bit. Then I think I can cast normally into that pool. Okay. That was a bad cast, so was that. There we go, I think that got into the water. Not seeing anything. Not feeling anything on the line either. Oh, there we go. I saw the twitch in the line. Got it. These are surprisingly good-sized fish. Another maybe 7-incher. These have all been brook trout in here. I don't know where that guy came from. That was cool though. I couldn't see the fly, I couldn't see the tippet. I could see like the line about a foot above where the line and the tippet meet. So that's what I was looking at. Then I saw it suddenly jerk tight. And we had a fish on. And it must have been at a lull in the wind, because if it were super windy, I don't think I would have seen that jerk. I would have just assumed it was the wind moving the line. As far as advice in windy conditions go, try to work with the wind. A heavier line can help, like a furled line or a PVC line. I just don't really like fishing those in general, so I don't fish with those too often. I'm more inclined to fish with a floating line or a furled line on a lake, on a creek. They're just, I don't know, I'm just not a fan. And if you have to, do bow and arrow casts or just dap the fly, just drop it in there. There is also a company, a UK company that makes metal lines. I think they're titanium or something like that. I've been wanting to get one of those. This isn't even water. I guess the creek is over there. Anyway, also laying your line on the water is sometimes something you have to do more when it's windy, just to keep the wind from moving that line so much. You need to lay a lot of it down. Oh, did you see that? You probably couldn't see that. I know the angle isn't great here, but I'm kneeling down trying to keep my profile low. I was just dragging the fly across the surface, and I think we had some interest. Oh, there we go. Yes. Got him. These guys are making me work. Another nice sized brook trout. See ya, buddy. Just in a few inches of water. I am amazed that we're having any success here, frankly, but the fact that it's actually going pretty well is pretty great. Yeah, I think if there was anything over here, I think I probably already scared it as I was landing that last fish. Let's keep going upstream. No, I wasn't recording. I just landed and released another fish, same size, like a 7-incher. Darn it. You know, after I catch a fish, I always stop the recording so that I know that toward the end of that clip, there's a fish somewhere in there, probably. But sometimes I forget to turn it back on again. I'm so caught up in the fishing that I turn it off, but I don't turn it back on again. And so I think that's what just happened. I just caught another fish. And I scared a couple more over there too. Let's see, is there... Oh man, did you hear that? I just spooked something. There's a little bit of open water over here that I'm not really... There we go. Again, that wind is trying to send my fly out of there. Ooh, okay, nice pool over there. I'm gonna come at it wide, gonna come at it from kind of perpendicular to the creek. We're gonna cast into it. And also I'm gonna try to avoid being seen by any fish that might be over here. There's some open water, but it's not great. But I'm worried that I might spook some fish over here and they might ruin my fishing. We'll do what we can here. There we go, fish on. Got him. Got him. Or her. See you, buddy. Okay. Anything a little bit higher up in the same pool? Yes. No, stay out of the... Oh, so many fish that I'm spooking in here. Stay out of the branches. But we got him. See ya. Anything in here? Yes! Next cast! Guys, I hope you're seeing these fish that keep scurrying around like that one. I mean, every time I land a fish, I scare another 2 or 3 at least. See you, buddy. Oh! I didn't realize there was a fish on. Get in there. See you, buddy. Well, it wasn't pretty, but it counts. The creek is getting smaller and smaller. The good-looking little pools are getting fewer and far between. Let's see if we can get one more fish, and then I should probably get out of here and go make dinner. There's got to be something else that's fishable here. Whoa. Yeah, something else that's fishable here, because I mean, look, this is the creek right here. Can't even see it, let alone fish it. I mean, there's a little bit of water right here. Oh, I think I just spooked one. Okay, so this should still be doable. Maybe in here. I'm casting directly into the wind, and sometimes that's easier than trying to do it from the side. Anything? Yes. Got him. Yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up here, guys. This is fish number 10, and I haven't timed it. I don't know how long I've been fishing for, but probably like 40-45 minutes. It has not been very long. Lucky number 10. So cool. I can't believe it. I was honestly expecting to get, you know, 1, maybe 2 fish out of here. I'm amazed. Really fun place to fish. That's gonna wrap it up, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any other good tips. Let's see, any fish in here? Nope. Let me know if you have any other good tips for fishing in the wind, and I'll see you in the next one.